Jumbo and Caribou. Thanks for the view. If you don't know, my name is Tonyell Dasia Clyburn, but everyone calls me Tony. Originally from America, I now live in Kenya, where I am a budding tourpreneur and travel blogger, sharing my experiences as an African American living and working in Kenya as a tour operator. Join me and my business partners, Joseph McCow and Daniel Lowe's, as we host drinking tours in our town of Kintigela and travel throughout Kenya for ideas of new tours and experiences to launch. At 16, I relocated from New York City to Nairobi, where my grandmother, Reverend Clarice Alethea King, had already been living in Kenya as a missionary for over 8 years. For over a decade, I studied, worked, and lived in Kenya, becoming a wife and mother in the country. After the passing of my beloved grandmother in 2011, I temporarily left the country with visions of returning to continue the work that she had begun. In March 2020, during the midst of a pandemic, I began SASA Sisters Inc., which was meant to continue my grandmother's legacy by providing support and aid to disadvantaged mothers in Kenya. August 9th this year, I returned to Kenya with my 3 teenage sons, Amani, Faraha, and Baraka. My boys and I quickly began to repair and renovate 2 of the classrooms I had been renting since January for SASA Sisters Inc. Unfortunately, my landlady wanted me to continue to pay and renovate classrooms I was not using, which was draining my family's finances, so we left the school altogether. Initially, I felt down. Everything I worked for and saved for over a year was gone in the snap of a finger. I had left my job and my life in America to return to Kenya with my boys, but this did not defeat me. In September, my friend Dan from the UK had come to Kenya to help with the school. To his dismay, we had already walked away. But Dan coming to Kenya was a blessing because it sparked and resonated my passion for travel, adventure, and tourism. I had been suppressing this desire for years because I thought my purpose in Kenya was to continue my grandmother's legacy. Dan, Joseph, and I sat together for days, creating SASA Tours and Travel Group, sharing our experiences in Kenya. By providing small group tours to off-the-path destinations around Kenya, inviting tourists and residents of Kenya to see the magic with us. Allowing tourists and Kenyan residents to enjoy the Dusty South, as Kintigela is called. Our first tour, the Dusty South Bear Safari, is an 8-hour guided walking tour on the southeastern side of Nairobi National Park. Kintigela's Hippo Pool Nature Trail, a trail in the game park, is only 20 minutes behind my house. Because there is no fencing on this side of the park, animals free roam literally in my backyard. Working with rangers on the trail, as well as the area's Numbakumi Thomas, we have capitalized on this rare opportunity, offering a one-of-a-kind safari with a bush picnic and a taste of the Kintigela nightlife. Second tour, the Dusty South Club Crawl, a unique and rare encounter giving our visitors the opportunity to enjoy 5 of the best pubs and nightclubs in Kintigela. The object of this tour brings strangers together who will leave as friends. What better way to bring people together and begin friendships than a night of drinking? Working with local woman Florence, who will guide guests to each venue along Namanga Road while sharing stories and the history of her town. Guests enjoy complimentary drinks along the way while experiencing the electric atmosphere of Kintigela at night. You're excited to know when we upload new videos of our tours and experiences in Kenya? Then click the subscribe button to be notified. Would you like to help support our efforts and help us to succeed as new tour operators? Then become a Patreon member. Patreon members help us to launch new tours and get to view new uploaded videos before they premiere on YouTube. Click on the Patreon link in the description box to find out how to become a Patreon member. Are you in the Nairobi area or plan to be in the Nairobi area? Then come spend the day or evening with us on one of our Dusty South tours. Check out the website to get full description on what to expect on our distinctive excursions out of the city. The link is in the description box below. Until next time, Kwaheri.